Hi, I'm Noelle Leemburg, Director of Sales Effectiveness for the Brooks Group. With over 2 decades of experience in sales, from selling to leadership, I understand the challenges involved, especially in today's marketplace, where there's often a buying group or a complex decision-making process. I want participants to know that by improving their skills, they will have a lot more fun in their sales career. The Brooks Group culture is truly customer-centric. Everyone works together to create the best experience for each other and with all of their clients. People are authentic and want to make a difference in the organizations that they work with. The Brooks Group is innovative, leading the way with their continuous research and focus on continuous improvement. That's why we win awards. The impact selling process is a proven methodology. When salespeople follow the rules, it allows them to stay in control of the sales process and align with the customer's decision-making process. The Brooks Group has long-term repeat clients, and that's because they've experienced great results from their sales professionals and the sales support staff using the process. I've done training for a variety of organizations that get double-digit growth because their sales reps continue to hone their skills and use the process consistently. It's adaptable, it's easy to remember, and it works. Having a direct impact on every person who attends the training is what excites me. Even after 20 years of facilitation, I do my best to make sure people feel that the classroom, whether virtual or in person, is a safe place to learn. I want participants to get excited when they hone their skills and implement them right away so they can experience more confidence and enjoyment from their work. I like to create a fun and highly engaging learning environment. I tell stories to emphasize the point in the learning and how, when implemented, it makes a major difference in the result. I call on everyone in the classroom and like to put a little healthy pressure on people to get uncomfortable so they grow and learn with their peers in a safe space. Getting people up out of their seats and on their feet in activities, sharing best practices, playing games, and testing their knowledge is how I like to ensure that they integrate and remember the learning. When people get the chance to practice in the classroom, that's when they begin to experience the great aha moments that they'll never forget. I want my participants to get excited, to feel motivated, to feel more competent, which creates confidence, so when they get in front of their prospects and clients, they improve their success rate. I want them to experience deeper relationships, a shorter sales cycle, increased transaction size, higher retention rates, and higher NPS scores. Ideally, I want them to realize that being a professional salesperson is a very rewarding career.